How to remove message button on Facebook. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to remove message button on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, you will launch Facebook application on your device. Make sure to sign in to your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Select your profile at top of the screen. On this profile feed, select three dots at bottom right corner of the screen and select View As. Now here you will see the preview of your page where you can easily see the message button. To remove this message button on Facebook, tap on the arrow at the top left corner of the screen and come back to this menu section. Scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Scroll down and then locate the option for how people find and contact you. So depending upon the versions of your Facebook, here you can easily see who can message you button on Facebook. If you don't see that button, don't worry. But if you got that option, make sure to toggle the bottom off so that no one can message you on Facebook and send the message request or friend request on Facebook. So if you don't have that button, you need to make this options private as much as possible. So who can send you friend request? You need to tap on everyone and tap friends of friends. Here you can see who can see your friends list. Tap on public to make it only me. And here people with your email address, tap on it to make it no one, and people with your phone number, select no one as well so that they cannot contact you on Facebook. Here you can easily toggle the button off for the search engines outside the Facebook to link your Facebook profile. So once you have done that, come to this section. And here you can make profile and taggings also to only you or private as much as possible, so that it will help you to remove message button on Facebook. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.